Meaning of honored.
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 Honored. The suffix honored is typically added to a noun or adjective to indicate that the person or thing being described has been given special recognition or respect. For example, distinguished honored scientist implies that the scientist has received some sort of prestigious accolade for their work. Using honored can help to convey a sense of esteem or reverence towards someone or something. By adding this suffix, we signal that the object of our description is deserving of admiration and respect. This can be particularly useful in formal writing, speeches, or other situations where a sense of deference is appropriate.